Hello, my name is Jason. Today I want to demonstrate how to use the Snapling coupling, how easy it is to use. If we have a bell joint leak, all we got to do is just cut that bell joint. We only have to use one coupling. We don't have to bevel these edges, so it's super easy to use. So I'm going to take this thing apart and show y'all what it consists of. You can pull these splines out, this end pops out, you're going to have a gasket right here. We'll do the same thing on both sides. And just like that, we got it apart. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put this thing on. So we're going to slide our ends on first. Get your gasket on there, we can use this. Slide it on up, out of the way. Alright, slide that. I've already put some pipe lube on these. So let's go ahead and slide our coupling on. Alright, need to make sure that these holes are facing up. I'm going to slide it down to about the center. I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit more hot lube right here. You want to go ahead and lube this up real good on the inside and on your gasket. Alright. That gasket's already started in there. Go ahead and shove that up in there. Get your gasket started there. Alright. Set this jack down here. Alright. I'm just going to jack this thing closed. Now if you're using a different size coupling, you can change the feet out. And these right here, and you'll be good to go with that. So we're going to close this up. You want the gaps to be closed on both sides. Alright, we're going to shove our spline in. Alright, sometimes that can be a little difficult. You got a little tool right here that you can tap it in, but most of the time it's always easy. You may have a little dirt or mud in there. Alright, so let's take this jack off. Y'all are ready to turn the water on. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.